Hello there, this is Webmasters at Daslot, and this is video 3 of the Add a Listing. Now I'm going to cover two areas here. One, if you have a website already up on search engines, or if you don't have a website and you've just made a free classifieds here. So basically then I'm just going to cover the free classifieds, and it will explain the domain websites who are listed already. So as you can see, you've come back to the classifieds website and you can see the advertisement which I made here. If you click on that first, and you'll actually see your advertisement, you'll actually view it. This is important when you're adding onto the search engine, that you actually open up the page in which you listed at. Again, if you have a blog, or if you have a forum, or if you have anything else, the only thing it won't work on is some websites where you need to be logged in to view your page, like Facebook. Things like that need registration to go in. Basically, it would just go to the login page of Facebook or whatever it is that's there. So you need an open classifieds or forum, somewhere where you can view it, and you need to check that first before you actually submit your listing to the search engine. Now, as you can see, I've opened it up, and this is the most important part here, and this is unique to you, to your advertisement. It's unique. It's no other one in the world has the same. This is based on my server, and basically this will remain and nobody else can have the same. Okay, so I'll get back to adding the listing, and I'll come back to this now and I'll show you the importance of this. So now we're going to cover this. This is basically for both domain websites who are already businesses, or blogs who are already there, forums that are already there, anything at all that's actually there, affiliates, websites, anything. So basically the first thing you do is click on Add a Listing. That's it, on the home page. And basically you're taken to this here, and it's just to take you through to the directory. So the directory is where all the information is kept on different businesses in the world, on different categories, and that's basically the database for the search engine. So if you have a suggestion, if you can't find yourself listed here, make a suggestion in the forum, which is located, there's a link at the very bottom of the website, and just make a suggestion, and the webmasters staff will actually add it back into the directory. So I'm going to add my one that I did on the free classified. So I'm going to click on business, and this is the same for domains. If you pick your category out, so I'm going to go with online marketing, just say for instance. Now as you can see here to the right, it's telling me to suggest a URL. Now you don't need to know what a URL is, but I'm going to explain it in simple terms. So you just click on that. Now the URL is what's this here. The HTTP link is the server. The www is the World Wide Web. So whatever you have, I've noticed that a lot of American sites don't have the www in them. That doesn't matter, you'll still get listed here anyway. So basically then, if you have a domain website, you just type in your domain, www.yourdomain. Whatever it is, I'm just going to put down yourdomain.com. So whatever it is you have listed, it could be anything, you actually put it in there. Now for people who don't have a website, who want to get listed on the search engine, you go back to your third-party website, and you've actually made a nice little advert here, and you've got a link back. This is yours, nobody else can take this from you. So basically you just left click it once, right click it, and copy. Basically you just copy that link, and again it's fairly straightforward. You paste, and there she is there. You don't even have to view it, it's already in there now. So basically then on the title and the description, there's a video 4. If you want to stop this now, go down to video 4 and have a quick look on how to get the maximum out of title and description. I'll be doing a video for that, and it will actually maximize your URL or your business on the search engine. So I'm just going to put in I'm just going to copy this here for demonstration purposes. I'm just going to take this here now. Come back in here, and I'm just going to paste it in twice. And then I'm going to complete then this. It's hard to see here on the screen, but you'll be seeing it. It's actually anti-spam feature to make sure that you're human and you're not a program. So it's 5A15A. Okay, and then what you do is you press submit. That's it. Once you press submit, your URL is straight away flagged at the Daslot website, and our staff will then view your URL and approve it. So we press submit, and it sees there, you can see there, suggest a URL. Your site will be reviewed shortly. So I'm going to pause the video there. I'm actually going to confirm the URL, and then I'm going to show you how then with those keywords how you come up on front page of the search engine. Now I've actually completed the confirmation of the URL suggestion. So if you come back in less than 24 hours and actually go back into the actual home page, if you type in now what your actual keywords were, so in this case I'm going to type in Daslot, and what you'll see is here now is Daslot and how to start your free. That's come up on the search engine. This is one I did earlier on, but this is how you'll actually come up on the front page on the search engine. And again, if you want to check it out to see everything's functioning perfectly, quick view, and it will take it back to the third-party website, and this is where the actual, just maximize that out, this is where it actually happened, that you made your forum or you made your blog or your post, and then you want to put it up on the search engine, and this is how it's done. So basically now you've got a direct link on page 1 back to your whatever you want in there, and you can close it there. And that's basically about it. As you can see, Qtel free classifieds, and that URL there is unique. It cannot be duplicated in any way. Somebody might just put in something very close to it, but even if you're missing even a /, it cannot be duplicated. Okay, so that's basically about it. If the last video, as I said, will cover the best way to get your search engine optimization, to basically get all your keywords right and be listed on the front page. Okay, thank you.